In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts to Xero. If you're new to this or just looking for a bit of guidance, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's access the Xero platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type in Xero and hit enter. You'll find the link to Xero's website right at the top of your search results. Click on Xero, accounting software for small businesses. This will take you to the Xero homepage, where you'll get a brief overview of the platform if you're new here. Once you're on Xero's homepage, look for the Login button. It's conveniently placed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Upon logging in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. Now, move your attention to the top left section of the screen. You'll see your business name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the various options, you'll want to select Settings. It's a simple action that leads to a whole new set of possibilities for configuring your Xero experience. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Chart of Accounts. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll be presented with the list of all the accounts currently set up for your business. Don't let this intimidate you. This is exactly where we need to be. On this new page, look for the Import option. Once you spot it, give it a click. You'll be guided to another page designed specifically for importing files. It's crucial that your chart of accounts is in the correct file format, commonly a CSV file, before proceeding. Now, it's time to browse for your file. You'll notice a Browse button right there on this page. Clicking on it will open your File Explorer. Navigate to where your CSV file is stored, select it, and then hit Open. You're almost at the finish line. Finally, double-check to ensure you've got the right file. If everything looks good, click on the Import button. Xero will then process the file and integrate the chart of accounts into your system. Keep an eye out for any notifications that might indicate issues during import. This can be a helpful step for spotting any problems with data formatting or content. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a chart of accounts into Xero. With these accounts in place, your financial reporting becomes more structured and informative. Feel free to contact Xero support if you run into any issues, and they will be more than willing to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!